In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer: not financial advice. For any personal financial decisions. This show was created for entertainment purposes only. So thank you everybody for tuning in. What is up, everybody? Welcome into another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. I'm your host today. Where's Trent? He's our youth group, being the youth pastor, guys. But thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already and you like what we do today, please smash that golden like button, guys. Let's get it on, man. You see us over there on X. We said it's short. It's short the market, and then the market did what? It came down. We have the subscribe bell right here. Your ring-a-ding-ding and your ring-a-ding-ding, guys. Let's get it. Let's get after it, man. Get that bell up in that corner on YouTube. Smash that like. You know, I got Kick and Rumble over here, pounding sand, guys. Thank you so much for everybody who tunes in over there and helps support the channel all across all platforms. And I got you, my homies over here on X. I see you guys. Hit that heart. Hit that little swirling double eating infinite circle. Share the post. That's right. Let's get after it. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome to the most hydrated crypto community out there. What's up, Daily? What's crack-a-lackin', dog? What's crack-a-lackin', Amelia? We got Mr. Daniel Kaufman. Oh, getting my little bit of whiskey here, guys. You guys can see a little more of my little setup I got down there, huh? Well, good. Get after my little bit of whiskey bourbon barrel. Bada bing. I don't know if you guys can see it coming in. Just looking at the camera, not looking at the bourbon. Get a little glass going. That's right, man. Got to stop right there. There we go. Dash going to pump, or is Dash going to dump? I don't know. We have to take a look at it, Mr. Daniel Kaufman. Did we get everybody? I think we did get everybody. What's up, Real Man? How you doing? Daily, how you been, man? I haven't seen you in a minute. How's life treating you? All right. Cheers to the most hydrated crypto community out on the interweb. That's right, guys. Let's get it. Cheers to you, Mr. Daniel Kaufman. Well, let's get after it. What do we have in the markets, you know? I guess we usually hit up news first, huh? I don't know. Let's throw this on the page here. So I'll take two for you, Daniel. One? Oof. That's strong. There's two. Man, here's the little guy taking a drink. I don't know if there is any news today. Super related news. Here's what happened in crypto today. U.S. senators to weigh in the CFTC and other amendments to crypto market structure bill. Top Bitcoin mining stocks rise amid U.S. winter storm and hash rate decline. Trump officials meet banks, crypto companies, Clarity Act talks resume report. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's not a whole lot going on, to be honest with you. Today was kind of a boring Wednesday. Coinbase launches, blah, 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 blah. Actually, Coinbase launches prediction markets in all 50 U.S. states via Kalshi. Kalshi, man, I think Kalshi's up and coming, man. They're going after the poly market news. AI enable scams was 500%. Well, that's probably true. I believe that. Take one for Jesus too. Yeah, his first miracle is turning water into wine. Well, crap. I guess there's nothing really super interesting over here. I'm keep looking at my thumbnails at the top. I feel like I'm missing one, but I can't remember which one I'm missing. It's gonna bother me. I'm gonna remember it later. Freaking. Let's head on over to CoinGlass. CoinGlass. You guys think the institutions bought today, or I think they sold today? Oh, we also have the unlocks coming too. Let's go take out the ETFs first. Bitcoin in dollars. Oh, that's a little bit, just shy, but a little dump. Fidelity bought 20 million, but Arkham and Bitmine sold a little bit, 5.4. That's just a little tiny bit. Ethereum is up today, only 800K. Well, that was almost nothing on Ethereum. You hardly see that. That's a small baby day. Only Fidelity only bought 800K. Everybody else is sitting on the sidelines waiting. Solana, nothing. Not a thing today? Like, that's weird. What about XRP? XRP, man. XRP had a pretty strong day. 7 million coming on in. I guess that's strong for XRP, right? Not huge. 2.6 million XRP. Franklin Templeton bought another 3.1. Canary Capital bought another 1.3. That was a small day. That's crazy. More people bought XRP than Bitcoin today. That's not very common. No Ethereum. No, Ethereum only had 800. XRP was the top performer. Solana was nada. Nothing Solana. Huh. Oh, look at that. Any token unlocks coming out. ASI. I don't know what ASI that is. It's not artificial liquid intelligence at all. Unite Optimism has a 1.7. That's not very bad. Gun has a pretty big one. Zora's coming out 3.7. That's a 2. 2. That's it. That's it. Let's go, man. Let's get after it. Take a look at the... Dude, when do we get the monthly close? It's coming up. Is that tomorrow? No, we got 3 more days. 3 more days. Is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Comes to Saturday. Saturday's the monthly close. All right. That is going to be a good show. Data liquidations. Man, I got to turn the music a little bit. Quiet tonight. Dash. Daniel Coffin wants to be the first one. He wants the first coin. He wants his dash call to be taken a look at. Woo! There's that 700. Was it 700 million or is it? Yeah, 700 million liquidations right there. Boom, bang, bang, ching, pong. Dude, that was nice. That was nice. If anybody was short in the market, we were short in the market. What's up, Dingle? UT Square. I'm back today, man. You know, I had this accident at work. I tore this muscular muscle under my chest. I have this funny little indent right now where it's just healing. It's okay. I'm alive, guys. Also, I'm a survivor. Little whiskey was fine. I rested. I actually took a no pay today. That's what they call them when they have extras. And I'm like, hey, I'm pretty high on the seniority list. I'm like, can I get out of here and just go home and sleep? And they're like, yeah. But I can't sleep, man. Once I get up, dude, I get up at 4 a.m. I can't really go back to sleep. I'll just lay there. So I actually got up and I did some dishes and I made some pancakes for the kids and I kind of tidied up a little bit. So yeah, that was pretty good. The fam liked it. What do we got over here? Some more liquidity, around 86,000. Oh, doggy. What did we say, guys? What did we say? We're shorting. Hey, it's okay, Dingle. I'm fine, man. This is how we get strong in the market. Or strong in the market and strong physically. I always say when I pray, I always say, Lord, bless me with physical, mental, and spiritual strength. It's one of my things I like to ask for. Well, 86. You know, another thing about 86, which is kind of interesting. We're going to head on over to crypto Twitter. Check it out, daily. I had a pour today. A little Voodoo Ranger coming on in, and I was looking at the market, and I did my link. Yeah, so good. I was like, yes, I need to get better at doing it on X too. And I shared it, and I said, man, we're shorting the market to 86K, baby. Let's go. Oh, man, I should bleed down. See, look at this. The candle is just the doji candle trend reversal. We just flipped red. We're at 89,200 a little bit. And we come on over to Trading View. Oh yeah. I was like, we're going up, dude. Now we're going down. Boom. We started breaking below the 50. I saw it coming. I called the short on the 4 hour. It's your payout, baby. Let's get after them gains. Let's go. Let's go. Smoke some weed. Dude, I've smoked some weed before. It's not my thing, man. It's just not. I'd rather have a beer. Dabs, dude. If I did dab, dude, I'd die, man. I told you that story, man, when I was out there in the sprinklers. I was just like, I thought I was having a panic attack. I couldn't eat my hamburger and breathe at the same time, dude. No, I like to be able to have a drink and eat at the same time. That's kind of my thing. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I mean, posted this 6 hours ago, so you know it was right before that close, baby. You know what you know. I was looking at the chart too. So what I was looking at, guys. I took a screenshot. I told you I do most of my trading on my phone. We had the red dot, it was unconfirmed, but I'm front running it, dude. I watched the rejection off the 200. I was like, oh yeah, we got the little bit of a doji candle coming on in. I was kind of a little nervous about the 50 MA, I'm not gonna lie, but why I traded is because we got the VWAP breaking down. We had the little red dot, a market cipher, momentum clipping, strength having the curvature. Stokes are actually okay. You know, we might not make it down to 686. So I'm keeping my eye on it. I'm gonna bump up my take profits. Boom. Boom, bang, bang, train plane. So there you go, man. That's kind of looking. 51 views, guys. We called it. I should have made the call public, or I mean, we made it on YouTube, but when we called the top back in October for Bitcoin, I should have posted that on X. I didn't used to use X a lot. I'm trying to get better at it. So yeah. And then, guys, check it out. We go to notifications. Oh man, we got the sweet girl liking it. Those Tom Crown, he likes everything. And we got some more sweet girls. It's like, come on, man. There has to be more to crypto Twitter than ladies, right? They're the only ones ever like our crap. We have Mr. JJ coming in here. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Hey, that's how you know we're still early through the whole markets, and you know we're keeping it tight, man. We're keeping our homies tight in the brew crew. Oh shoot, man, too funny, man. All right, let's get after the charts. Let's take a look at bubbles. Bubbles, hype down 2.6%. It's actually not that bad. This is the hour. Let's go to the daily. Stable. What the hell is stable at? 33%. You know, too, guys. I think I gotta go back to the doctors, man. I swore, and yeah, you know, it's garbage talk, guys. I have to rewind. Sorry, not kid friendly. Sorry for swearing. What's up, Calvin? I think I gotta go back to the dentist. I haven't worked on my tooth. I got a little bit of pain coming in my jaw. Rick, and you guys, I told you, I don't know if Daily heard, or maybe you did hear. It depends if you watched them afterward. I chipped my tooth, man. Like a third of it fell off, and they were fixing it. And it's still kind of tingly the last couple of days. Dude, Pax Gold, bro. Check out gold, man. Woo! Anybody who ever says the market cap's too big to freaking move, they're wrong, bro. And this is just Pax Gold. Like, imagine what the actual market cap of gold is. I don't even know. It's like $1 gajillion, bro. It's up 5.6% today. Gold is moving, dog. The big institutions are shorting or getting freaking crushed right now, man. I'm sure they're going to Daddy Trump and being like, please give us money. We're in a short position, or we're gonna get killed or get liquidated. Buy Bank of America. They're the first ones to go. So maybe, hopefully not Wells Fargo. I don't know whether the small banks are out there. I don't think Wells Fargo is a small bank. I'm not saying that, but yeah. River down 40%. We knew it was on its way, dude. I just knew. I was like, dude, I don't know anything about this thing, but it looked sketchy. What's up, doggy? What's up, bud? What's up, buddy? Dash, please. Daniel Coffin says, okay. We can see Dash right here. It's down 7%. Weekly maximum pain weekly flagging out. I can tell you right now, this little bit of support it has about 56, and that's right there. Break below that, man, headed to 44, just off the bubbles. I can just see that from the bubbles. You can see that trending down, but when you trend down, you can't go down forever. We bounce off a little here, a little there, and we could make a bull flag, bull flag break up. We could be eyeballing like a price target up over here, but we have to get into the lines to see where we're really going at. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Okay, I had my fun. I didn't go look at the biggest gains news. The stash already peaked. The market is going down, bro. Going down from Mr. Dingle. Mr. Dingle says we're going down. Hey, CD, is that are those your initials? Oh my gosh. I said Siri thought I was talking to her. Mr. Dingle. Silly Siri, I wasn't talking to you. It's funny, man. Like I don't think I used the voice command set up on my phone, but I always try to use my wife's Siri to see if I can get it work to pick up my voice in the car. It doesn't like me. It's only like the woman voice. Whew. Man, I'm glad I've never had whiskey go down the wrong pipe. That would be terrible. Ooh, that'd be so hot. Man, look at the 4-hour chart. Ooh. It's following that 50 MA right now. Daniel, we're down to the 200. Break below the 200 would not be in a good spot, man. We could bounce off and hold it. We could still be holding some hopium. I would be a little nervous, man. The deep money flow on the 4-hour, not great. Let's rewind it. Let's take a look. Let's really dive in. Let's dissect it. What is going on with the Dashinator? A Dashinator. I don't know if it's good or bad. It depends if you're short in the market or long in the market, Daniel. We do. Oh, gross, man. Ugh. Gross. I'm looking at this. You could hypothetically say you can make the best long ever. I'm not hopefully convinced, man, on it. We don't quite. We got a swing down. There's a swing down. There's no bullish div. I'm looking at Market Cipher, dude. I don't like Market Cipher. The money flow is still pretty thick. The VWAP's coming up, it was just causing the momentum to kind of flip reverse. To me, this blue wave that we got right here does not look like this wave. It more looks like a wave like this. This is what I'm seeing, like the beginning of this wave, this hump. So I would be expecting kind of like, if we're looking at this little high heel boot pattern we kind of got going in, I see him almost like this-ish pattern right here, kind of like this wick. I don't know, but minus this wick right here. If this was like a wick, I got that boot pattern. We could trade sideways. I'm not bullish on it, man. It's nervousing to me. That's that 15-minute. The 1 hour still looks like we can continue pain to the downside on the 1 hour. It shows continuation as a very strong possibility, but it's kind of setting up for a Jesus take the wheel on the momentum waves. When that happens, then we'll get a bump up, probably back up to $60. Probably back to $60. Best case scenario 64. Like we just looked at the 400. It's been falling. We're at that danger zone at the 200. 6 hour shows more continuation to the downside. It's eyeballing $50 on the 6 hour. If you fall through the 200, the 12 hours falling through the 200 right now. It looks like there's more pain in the future for Dash. Kind of eyeballing $50. I was looking at this most recent support we got coming in. What did I see? Cheers, Mr. Daily. Cheers to you. I'd say $50 would be the next zone. I don't think it's a stronger zone because we fell below it pretty hard right over here and kind of used it as resistance after that point. Couldn't really get above it, so the likelihood of us falling, coming back down, maybe get a bump right here. See, we kind of had these little baby bumps right here. We kind of shot up, kind of retested off the 21. The likelihood of us falling down below, maybe come back down to the 50, we get a bump like this, maybe come back up, meet the 200, come back up at the 57, come back down to, I'm gonna say $45. I think is far more likely for Dash than anything else. We could even come down to even $40, 30. $38. And that could be a setup, you know, for a very big move to the upside. But currently, I guess we haven't made a lower low. Just kind of got going for you, but I still think we're going lower. I do think we're going lower before we get a bounce. I really don't like this kind of like a cat ear pattern that we kind of have right here. The fact we can't get above this, the second level of our high, the second low, high, low right here, you know, where I'm pointing my mouse at. I don't like that. We couldn't get above it. That's just not good. That's not good. You know, we could have got a retest over here and broken above it. Oh, okay, sure that it was on Daniel Confidence, a W pattern. You got what's it called when you got a tunnel vision, man. You can make W patterns all over the place. I didn't see a W pattern. Not like that. Not like that. You're thinking like a W like that. Or something like you go down, you make a little loop, and then boom. I don't see it yet. It's not there, man. There's no volume in crypto market right now. Dude, I'm with Dingle, man. Crypto market is boring right now. Boring. That's where we have to be careful. Crypto traders like us got to be careful on our long positions. It's pretty bearish out there. Oh, yeah. Where's the D not you? I haven't seen you in a minute, man. We need to get you over there on Kick. Start chatting up. What do we got? Okay, so there's your dash layout, man. Daily shows more downwards price action. It's really eyeballing that $40 level, Mr. Daniel. 2-day coming down more. 3-day. Yeah. I can't wait for the day where I don't have to get up at 4 a.m. anymore. All right, we got the 2-week coming in this week. That'd be nice. Get some 2-week data. Right now, we're at 2-week is averaging 90,200. What? If we go down to 86, we'll be 4K below it. Make another candle red. Will it bounce above 150? I mean, it can if it bounces, Daniel. But I'm like I told you before, I'm not uber bullish on Dash. I just can't be, dude. The data doesn't support a move yet for the upside. Like we told you when it was getting ready to rocket up and where it was probably going to go, you know, that's where I would like it. Followed by, I think there's more downwards pain before we have more upwards. Swing into the weekly. Got the red dot still for Bitcoin. You know, I wanted to be hopeful today when I was watching it. I was like, dude, this might make some moves. And then it's just like, 5-day still looks kind of bearish on BTC. 3-day. You know, this is what I see. When I'm looking at the market cipher right here, market cipher B, it does look like it's getting, we still have open doors. So I'm speaking out of terms a little bit because we have still open doors and no momentum to the downside, but we do get we have some curvature coming into the VWAP. And now the curvature kind of looks like something like this or this or this, where we can get a move off it, or the momentum still continues and we reject off the 21 and 200 and go lower. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I'm thinking that we might get a bump, but we slowly slid. Like, it wasn't a strong move. We slowly slid under it. Like, nobody's noticing that. I noticed it. And I'm like, ooh, that's not good. The fact that we slowly just kind of underneath that 200 moving average, not good. That's on the 3-day. The 2-day, not good either. But we're below the 200, below the 21, below the 50, below the 250, 21. Did I say them all? I don't know. It just looks nasty. It does not. I don't trust this at all, man. You could be, maybe we'll get a move, but I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm betting on pump narrative, DeFi, Ondo, Sol, ETH, HBAR. Say, what's up, Nuclear Oppenheimer? How you doing? You are nuclear power. I wish I was nuclear power. Nuclear power is good, man. Clean energy. Nuclear. No one sees it, but you should. No one sees what? No one sees what? The bullishness? Is everybody bullish on the markets and I'm bearish? I'm gonna CME gap around 91K. Did we make a CME gap? I missed that. It still needs to be filled before we go lower lows. Open Sesame, Open Sea. Open Sea. I haven't used Open Sea in a long time. 96 Sigma. What's the 96 Sigma? Is that a beer? Sounds like a beer. Oh, we did the daily. We did get a little bit of a green dot. Maybe that's what you're seeing in there, Mr. Dingle. Got the green dot on the daily. We could get a pump. We could get that pump to 91. Where does that put us? 91's the 21 right here. Yeah, we could get a pump possibly there. We don't got bullish divs, so it's not going to be a be cool, fool. Hey, man, I'm cool. Hope you're cool. We are near zero. Well, near zero what? Degrees? Let's say we have to take a look at the CME gap because I haven't taken a look at that. There's dominance. CME. I got to go off hiking a she's. You said we made a CME gap. Was that this last weekend? Looks like there was a gap right there. There's a gap. Came down. We filled that gap. 95. 88. Where are you looking at the gap at? Is it longer ago? Or am I missing it? See me calling? No, I don't see you calling. There's also liquidity at that level. Liquidation heat map makes so it makes sense we take it first. Let me see. Liquidation heat map. Not a lot of liquidity at 91. A little bit, not a lot. Then you go to the 12 or 1 day. Yeah, well, it is probably. Might be able to squeak out like 100 mil at 91. Come up and grab this little pocket right there at 26. I don't know if it's worth it. Check the weekly. I want to see the weekly. Weekly shows more pain to the downside. I don't know, man. You think there's liquidity there? What's up, Daniel Ghazi? How you doing? Are we going to nuke or is this a dump over, dude? Dump's not over, bro. Dump's not over. Did you see my call over there on Twitter? Reckon I was like, what dumping, man? It's in every word, every song, every nursery rhyme. Give me a song. What's the song? I'm thinking of a song you probably haven't heard of before. That's really good. It's shit. What's it called? Rosemary, heaven restores you to light. Come and get me. The fight. It's the smiling on the channel. It's the da. It's the thought that moves you upwards, dude. I can't remember that song. I know Evil by Interpol. Yeah, I remember. It came to me like that. Look up Evil by Interpol. I like that song. It's not very common. I think it's like an early. Shoot, man, we're getting old. I think it's a 2010, maybe. Yes, conflicts between the CME gap, volume profile, liquidity. I think we can sweep it before lower lows, man. That would be best case scenario. Shut up and take another shot. I'm sorry. No, sorry, I got distracted. This gentleman in here, Nuclear's got me thinking. Hey, Nuclear, if you haven't already, please follow our channel, man. Appreciate it. If you could become the 292, we're getting up there, man. We're almost to 700. It's been a grind. Rejection off the 21 today. Ooh, yeah. I don't know, man. I don't think we hit the 91 just yet. I think we have to come lower. When I'm looking at the 12 hour, looks like it's just rejection. That'd be the 50 MA. Yeah, I think we might reject it before I go lower. Momentum still kind of wants to keep going though. Well, I got 7. I guess it really depends. We got 8 hours left till we get this candle. 6 hours got a red dot though. Ooh, that's not good. Rejection off the 200 moving average. It's also the 6.168 fib retracement. Well, maybe Maybe, man. I don't know. I don't think I'm sold on it. If I was, I think we might be going lower. VWAP coming down, momentum still coming down, but the money flow is kind of playing with you a little bit. It is kind of coming up. Green kind of came up. There is a little bit of a move coming. I don't know. 91. 91's kind of hot. Okay, that puts back above the 200. We could be bullish again short term. Hey, keep it coming, Nuclear, if you haven't already, man. I like the chat. Boosts us in the algorithm. post all your songs in there. You should do it one letter at a time. What else should we take a look at, man? XRP. It's in the thumbnail, right? XRP the thumbnail. We broke above the 200. We were dropping down. Momentum. VWAP coming down. Look at that fake out right there. Oof. VWAP momentum coming down. Kind of nasty candles, isn't that? Ejection off the 200. Ejection off the 200. Red dot to the downside. Same with Bitcoin. One momentum. 12 hours red. Rejection off the 21. Gross. Gross, man. Momentum on the daily. We're making a shoulder, head, and a shoulder to the downside. The momentum wants to be good, but the VWAP's saying, nah, bro. 3-day also kind of playing around the 200. We're slowly breaking below it. Dude, I don't want to slowly break down. Yeah, man. We said we think we're coming down to $1.37 for XRP. That's what I said a while ago. I still thinking that we're bearish, man. Oh, cracked my neck. I think we're still bearish, man. I think we're nasty. This is a 5-day. This is back 2021. There was a good little pump we have back in November for algo. Crow broke below the 200 too. Dude, Crow has been getting crushed, man. Crypto.com. Dude, you need to go look up Interpol, man. Look up Evil by Interpol. Check out that song out, dude. That song's dope. I'm trying to find the next little bit of resistance we have for Crow. Momentum still wants to go down, probably a fake out. We bearish metals is going to... Dude, we should take a look at metals. Yeah, all the volume is in metals right now. Solana and Screw. Let's go look at... Well, what's first? What's closer to me? I think Solana's closer. Kind of look at metals, though. Metals. I mean, look at gold. Golly, man. Look at gold. Holy cow, dude. Gold has been waking up. Wow, so silver. I got copper right here, too. I thought I pulled up nickel. I guess I haven't pulled up nickel yet. Copper's waking up, dude. All the metals are waking up, man. Dude, it's freaking copper's $6 a pound. Shoot, man. Any guys out there, electricians, have scrap metal? Where's Screw at? I guess Screw's easier. There you are. Oh, man. That looks like that mini dash right there. The wick up and it's just coming down, dude. Oof. I can't even see anything, but it does look nasty. It does look like it's eyeball on the 1.2 cent level. Yeah, gold and silver crushing it. BTC did nothing, bro. BTC did do nothing besides go down. Money flow still strong, dude. We've been a falling wedge, so you could throw the dart right here, and we come down, get a bounce up. Well, now you're looking at a move that's higher than your entry point. But I do think that we have lower lows coming. I mean, the fact that we have a lower, the previous low was right here. Now we're in a lower low. I think this is the level to be eyeballing. You want my opinion? I think right here. Or screw. Money flows coming in. Pump. We got the VWAP flip flop. Stoke strength are looking actually okay. Like if they do, like they straight up look okay to me. The money flow's coming in. We'll have to see, man. Maybe we get a cent move, 1-2 penny move. The chart has some divergences too. BTC Kundalini 96 Sigmas know this. I know it, man. I feel it. You're right. There is some. Well, I don't see it in the 15-minute. One hour. 5-minute. You got a red dot trigger wave to the downside rejection off the 21. Uranium, yeah, dude. Uranium's another one. What's the ticker for uranium? Can I just type in uranium? Look at Solana, and then we're gonna have to rotate to metals. Aluminum. Hey, there you go. There's another one. I'll see if I can pull up those tickers real quick. Uranium. All right, so type in USDT. I do that a lot, man. I do that a lot. And copy if we have it. Hey, what's up, Flight? Black fan? Your book's written, right? I saw your message on X. I was talking to Trent. We promote your book for free, man. You don't have to pay us. Uranium. Is this it? Is this uranium? No, I think that's right. I actually haven't pulled up uranium before. Is this right? Is this the right uranium, Francisco? Yeah, man. Absolutely. Uranium. Nickel is kind of a hard one for me to find because I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. Nickel is not by the ounce, is it? What the heck is this? Nickel's by the ton. Oh, this doesn't look right to me. What's nickel? Nickel's by the ton, isn't it? This is nickel, I think. Go down a little bit. Come on. I think that's nickel. Aluminum. Aluminum. Pepperstone. Aluminum spot. Is this? I'll probably just pull this one. I kind of want to pull this one. What is that one? That one doesn't move. I don't think. Does that one move? Maybe not. I don't know. What's this one? We'll look at both. I don't have to retype it. One of these are right, and one of these are not right. That does not look right. That spot one looks wrong. I don't know. Because aluminum's not by the ounce too, right? It's probably by the ton. Dr. Kramer, hyped. That's why we hyped pumped. Hype just launched commodities too, did it really? It all goes to BTC. At some point. We're not there yet, man. Bitcoin, we're bearish on Bitcoin, and we've been dead on balls accurate for quite some time. We looked at Dash is going down. We did look at Dash. That was the first one. You're about to get trapdoored. Final trick. Now you see me. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. But I would love to be wrong. That's the reason why is I don't sell all my bags. I have like my trade bag and my non-trade bag, so it doesn't matter. I can't get trapdoored. I figured the game. I figured the game out. It's the biggest buying opportunity of your life. Well, I'm not disagreeing with you. I love buying. I love buying the dips. I got distracted. I kind of want to look at hype. And we have Solana still. Okay, we can't go to the metals. We have Solana. Dude, I was the most bearish person on hype. I still don't quite like it either. Ugh, 15-minute on Solana, dude. Ugh, gross. There's your high. There's your high. There's your lower high. Boop, it's over. Boop, came back up. There's your lower high. Boop, you know, just dunzo, bro. Just absolute dunzo. Dude, this is looking like a nice. If you want to try to catch a falling knife, you can throw a long in right here. I don't know if it's done yet. I mean, the money flow went from green slamming down, but we could get a pump back up to the 21 and 50 at 125. It's not out of the realm of impossibility. Ooh, this just looks nasty. Dude, look at this sharp drop off. Oof. Yeah, there's your high. There's your lower high. I don't know, man. I don't know about this. Excuse me. VWAP coming down, momentum coming down, Stokes RSI coming down. Lower lowers, man. Probably at least go another $1.50 lower. What's the 6 hour say? 6 hour money flows thick. We got Inca trigger wave. Red dots, VWAP coming down, dog. We're coming down lower. Oh, look at that nice rejection off the 21. Yeah, nasty looking. Emotions will wreck you. Daniel, you should practice not getting married to coins and not getting emotional about it. Emotions will wreck you. Yeah, I mean, 100%, man. I got my bags I'm married to. Like, I love crypto.com. I love my XRP. But I also like trading and I like making money. And there's like some part of my bag I'll never sell, and some part of my bag that I'm just I really like Holy Crow, man. I like the rewards. I like staking it, but yeah, man, you can't marry your bags. Can't do it, dog. All doors locked, my friend. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. Interview over. Hey, it's okay, man. Peace out, Nuclear. Nuclear. We're just traders, man. We're traders. So Solana, we think we're going down. You know, I should put a pull up, man. Let's put a pull up because now I'm kind of curious what this gentleman's saying. I mean, Dingle thinks that we're bullish in 91. Are we? You want to say next? We're close to the end of the month, right? So we'll say, do you think we will have a bullish February? Yeah, February. Do you think we'll have a bullish Feb? Bullish Feb. Let's say type in bullish Feb. Bullish Feb. Bullish Feb. February. That's what we're gonna do. Macro bullish, macro bear. Yeah, man, me too. I'm freaking dying, dude. I need to get a glass of water. You guys okay, man? I don't give me a glass of water, man. I'm dying over here. I'm thirsty like a motherfucker. I'm not gonna get no bottled water. I ain't no drinking plastics. I don't want to look like a straw in my 90s. 1 second, guys. Go take the pull. I'm gonna get some water. I'm thirsty, man. I'm back. Oh, got me a glass of water with my little filter. Check out this cup, man. I got this. Someone gave this to me for a Christmas, Thanksgiving. It says, thanks. What the hell did it say? It says, happy hollow thanks, miss. What it says. A Christmas gift like 2-3 years ago for one of my customers. Cheers, man. Most hydrated crypto community out there. Oh yeah. Little H2O, man. Agua. Oh, Daniel, I would buy Dash, but I think it's gonna go lower. I got a better price, man. Oh, well, you know what, Mr. Nuclear. I guess more people think that we're bearish. Maybe we'll have a bullish February because everybody thinks we're bearish, right? I don't know, maybe. I'm bearish. What am I looking at? What was I doing? Solana. Yeah, Solana, everything. We're negative on. We're gonna look up hype. That's not the right hype, though. We're looking at the DeFi. DeFi hype's up higher. Oh, dude, that water was good, man. Yes, dude, I freaking said to short the snot out of this a long time ago, bro. I was like super anti-hype, like way back when, like our channel first was started like around here in September. No, we started in April, so we've been going for like, I don't know, like 5 months by then, maybe March. And I was like, frick, dude, I was like, I think this looks so bearish, absolutely so bearish, bro. I think I even said it right here. And we came up like, oh, maybe I was wrong. And woof. No, I was not wrong. I was not wrong. But we do got a green dot in the weekly. This is kind of a good sign for the move. I'm waking up. Oh, man. Itch, dude. Yeah, how old are you guys? You guys start getting nose hairs yet? Dude, this looks negative. This is looking pretty negative, man. Short. I'm calling it a short right now in Hyperliquid. You might get a bounce, micro bounce up, tiny micro bounce off 50 MA on the 1 hour, but dude, lower high, we'll probably bounce up to the 21, give rejection, dude. Oof. Or maybe we'll just fall that back down to 27 bucks. Short opportunity. You know, trend's your friend till it's not, right? Money flow coming down, open doors to the downside. The VWAP has a little bit of curvature, man. That little bit of curvature. Probably retrace to 382. You love those fibs, don't you, Mr. Dingle? Daniel, that is chart. Oh, wait, did I see it? Can we see how low Cookie Dow will go? Dude, Flight. I haven't seen you ask for Cookie in a long time. Oh, man. Oh, dude, look at that in the 4 hour. You're right. Hype did pump today. That does look like it's coming down, though. Ooh, look at that rounded momentum, dude. That freaking short. Calling it a short right now on Hype. I think it's going to fall through the 50. I think we'll probably come. I think our first big profit level will be right here on a short. I think we're coming here. This is where I think I'm just thinking off the 4 hours. So we're kind of expanding. I would say in the next day and a half. I'm going to come down. I think we'll kind of do this. I'm going to come down here. And then we'll have to reevaluate. What do you think about that? That thing's pretty good, right? Buy some, get a better job, man. I wish I could get a better job. If you can tell me get a better job and give me a better pay raise right where I'm at now, I'll do it. Tell me where to sign. It's like above the 200, but I don't know if it's a keeper, man. The VWAP's kind of trying to not give it to us. Next 6 out looks nasty, man. It is price target for 25 bucks, $26. Man, I was thirsty, dude. I drank the entire thing of water. How do you market cipher B, volume profiles, fibs, moving averages, trend lines, and square resistance? You said that before. I remember you telling me that. What's your favorite part about market cipher? Do you like to use like the yellow X's and diamonds? Do you use all of A? Dude, I like A, but there's just too much going on, and I don't necessarily need everything either. I don't like to use everything. Where was I at? Yeah, we're bearish on Hype. Dude, Hype's down 9%. No, that can't be right. What the? Why is it saying that? That's not right. It's clearly up. I'm not gonna save it for money flow and trigger waves. Dude, I love the trigger waves. Trigger waves are dope. Dude, I want to put a short in this. I might short this. This looks good, dude. I might short this. What just buzzed? Liked by Finnet. Good things were coming. Shorted the market. Oh, yeah. Yeah, somebody else liked it. Oh, we have somebody bullish February. That must be Mr. Nuclear. Mr. Nuclear. What's up, everybody? Got 10 people watching over there on YouTube. So thank you, everybody, for showing up. Help support the community, support the channel. We're kicking ass and taking names every day, baby. Dude, 100%, bro. What else we're gonna look at? We're gonna look at metals. This mic stand, dude. Got this microphone. It drives me nuts sometimes. Okay. BNB, Binance. Look at Binance. Dude, I remember this is 2021, maybe 2022. I had like $2 grand. I was buying crypto, and I'm like, I should buy. Scares me, frick. Buy 10 Binance tokens, 20 Binance tokens with it. BNB was like $200 a coin. Where is Binance on here? I feel like I should have it pretty high. Where is Binance? I gotta locate this. This is weird. I'm like trying to think about it in my head. I don't remember where it's at. BNB. I mean, it should be pretty high. Where's this at? Locate. Oh, it's with Ondo? That's weird. I should have this higher. It should be up over here by Solnada. Ooh, that looks kind of gross too. It kind of looks a little bit like hype. Ooh. Have a little shoulder, head, and possibly shoulder to the downside. Came in. That kind of filled out though. Money flow's been leaving. Momentum kind of gets a little bit of reverse. That wants to bounce off the 50. That makes sense. I can see it bouncing off the 50. Come up to slightly lower. Hit 901. Rejection. Come a little lower. Kind of a bing bong around there. We're on the 4 hours. Slightly above the 200. It's coming back down to the 200. VWAP coming down. Momentum coming down. Can we make an inverted head and shoulder? Can I see an inverted head and shoulder coming? I don't know. Same thing with Bitcoin. Got the red dot, the downside. Isn't it if you make the megaphone pattern, that's a bullish pattern? You know, like the megaphone sky blasting up. You got a blast down. This is like a bullish pattern. A VWAP coming down, money flow. 6 hour, look, it's not done. Doji candle, momentum's trying to go for it. Money flows slightly lower, lowy. It is coming down. Make it a lower high. We rejected off the 200 before. Trend says we're going lower. Falling wedge. Falling wedges tend to break up. We could be eyeballing 265 down the road, but like you would say, micro bearish. 860. We could hope for a move in the future up to a higher highs. I guess that really depends on what BTC is doing that in that time range. Show Daniel the daily and the weekly. Okay, well, the daily and the weekly of Dash. Daniel, I covered Dash so thoroughly for you. Why are you so upset? You're just so upset tonight. Why are you so bent out of shape? We're all here losing money together, right? The daily, it just looks grody, Dan. Dan the man, at least coming down to the 50, and that's 51 bucks. Open doors to the downside. VWAP's actually expanding out slightly. You can't really see it because it's so zoomed out. Nah, Binance. Oh, okay. Well, I'm here now. Possibly anchor trigger wave on market cipher B. Red dot, the thick wave. Now we're getting a little bit of possible trigger wave to the downside. It just doesn't look good. Nah, Binance. Where's them BNB at? Weekly on Binance has a red dot too. That was a scam wick. I don't know why that's there. I wish they removed that. I remember when that came out. It bothered me. All this bull. This is all bull crappy. Red dot right now. That's usually tends to be a fake out. When they're below, like the green dots below the zero line have more say, like how the red dots above the zero line have more say. So, but this is probably, when I say fake, I mean we got another 4 weeks of downwards pressure. What's the daily say? Daily says possible movement for BNB. We got a green dot. VWAP looks okay. That's not bad, but I don't know, man. I don't really like how this candle's lower. We got to get a pump tomorrow. I guess that's the whole thing, right? All we can get pumped tomorrow is the daily bullish. Well, you look at the daily, you're not trading like 24-hour period. When I look at the daily, I'm trading it. I'm trading like, I'll say 3 to 8 candles out. See how many moving averages are aiming upwards on the daily? Yeah, I did see that. Yeah, the green dot, money flow. You could argue the money flow, but you do got the VWAP. Stokes and strength coming in. I do see it, man. 12 hours still technically bullish. VWAP coming down though. I don't like the Stokes strength. I don't like how the money flow is getting weaker. I don't like the 6 hour either. See how they move. Dash trends. Dash trends down. Yeah, it does. Just for Dale's reference. We got 5 votes in. People are bearish on February. Let's go over here. And we're going to take a look at something. We're going to do data. We're going to go Bitcoin's monthly returns. We were mimicking this cycle pretty good. Oh, 2019, really good. Nasty, nasty, nasty. So in make sure I'm in the right year. That was 2018. Wait, where am I at? What? This is 2018, so 2019 would be the year that we're kind of mimicking the most. Well, January we actually pretty much broke even. February technically was bullish when we had 5 green months after that. Well, maybe. So last year in 2025, those were our good months. Starting February, we have 5 green months. I don't know, man. I just want to take a look at this data. It doesn't really make me feel strong. Oh my gosh, look at that Q1. We had really bad Q1 and Q4 last year. For Ethereum. And 2026. It's kind of funny actually, because we have like a bad Q1 for Bitcoin last year, but that caused us to have a negative 45% on Ethereum dump. So you go, okay, well, if we had Q4, we dumped 23%. You're like, alt should dump more. Really, we only dumped negative 28%. Huh. That mean does that mean the people are slowing down the leverage? Slowing down their leverage use. So now Bitcoin's up 1%. Well, now Q4 should wait. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. Don't pay attention to that math. I would love to say, well, we had okay Q1, so we should have okay Q4. I'm not projecting that out. Oh, I kind of agree. I think that midterms will be around the bottom. Some beginning errors when trading. Being emotional about coins, expecting charts to do what you want versus doing what charts tell you, trying to make money versus protect your money. That's true, man. I agree with that, Dingle. How long you been trading for, Mr. Dingle? Gotta take a look at gold, man. Gold's just so hot. And it's going to keep pumping too. I don't think it's going to dump either. The money flow's too good. Money flow's too nice. 1 hour. 15 minute. We're above the money flow's increasing again. Yeah, dude, gold's going to continue pumping tomorrow. Yeah, it is. Or shizzle. Gold's been pumping, man. Probably the next couple days. Probably into the weekend. Hey guys, we gotta talk. I'm cracking up, man. Did you see that TikTok with the Somalian chick that was like bananas and rice? And she says like 4 or 5 times. She has like the band-aids on her forehead. Did you guys see that she's got arrested for assault because she attacked a federal agent? And dude, I'm cracking up about that one. And then I'm cracking up about Ilhan Omar. Benny Johnson's all like, hey, what about that winery that's worth $5 million? And then all of a sudden the winery doesn't exist. Like she scrubbed it. Oh, busted, man. Dude, I'm dying. DCA, what's up, bro? Gold's gonna hit 6K. Dude, it feels like it is gonna hit 6K, man. Freaking, it's on a muffin, dude. Gold's on a freaking tear. Long enough to learn the basics. LOL, she got arrested. Did she get arrested? Oh, wait, the banana girl, Ilhan. Ilhan hasn't got arrested yet. Nah, I don't think so. I hope so. That'd be great. That'd make my night. And the bananas and rice girls got arrested, though. That's hilarious. I saw that, like, what the hell? You know, she's like, you know, it's like to be American, Somalians, like, bananas and rice. You're like, you know what's funny? I've never had bananas and rice, and I'm American. Not once have I ever thought in my head, what's a good combination is bananas and freaking rice. Not one time has I thought ever occurred to me. Bananas and rice. Yeah, dude, she's going to get arrested, bro. Oh, it's coming, man. It's coming. You know, I have this theory, too, that the whole why Trump hasn't done the Insurrection Act yet in Minnesota is because, dude, I'm telling you, he wants to expose it state by state and show all this freaking fraud. But he's also he's eyeing the midterms, you know, he doesn't want to lose the midterms and mess everything up. So if he does Insurrection Act after the midterms, he has 2 years to prove he did the right decision, which, I mean, I already know it, but I think that's what he's waiting for. Ilhan got stage squirted, dude. She did get stage squirted. Dude, you see, that's a setup too, man. Like, they made eye contact right before that. Yo, you can't tell me that she didn't see that coming, dude. That was all staged, bro. We will stand. What you say? We will stand for what's right or some stupid thing. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Dude, Silver's been on such an effing tear, dog. Oh my goodness, dude. Like, what? Back in July, dude, you could get silver for $37. We go back to May last year. I guess that wasn't too much. $30. Shit is so fake, dude. Shit is so fake. Aluminum's waking up. Green dot in 2 day. Money's coming into. All right, this copper. Sorry, aluminum. My brain's got scrambled there. Yeah, copper's waking up, dog. Copper's waking up, man. Copper's pumping too. Copper's at all-time high, isn't it? Yeah, I think copper's at all-time high. Let's look at uranium. This is uranium, right? I think it is. Looks right to me. I mean, uranium says in 12 hour. I just don't know the price of uranium. You know, gold and silver I've been following for so long. Green dot in 12 hour. Money flow's not as thick, though. I would like to see, like, on the other precious metals. Another green dot on the daily. It does look like it's breaking out. What's uranium? Is uranium an all-time high, too? Money flow is increasing. It does look like it's going to continue. The money flow is increasing on the longer term slowly. It's slowly, so it's like still a good time to accumulate uranium as we're looking at it on the bigger time frames. Oh my goodness, dude! I got a hair on my face. What the hell? My wife, she always puts my hat on when she's out over here doing work on the computer. Yo, what's up, Floofin? What's cracking, bro? Oh, platinum. That's another metal I should pull up. platinum. Ooh. Woo! That whiskey hit me slow. Dang, no, don't say stupid shit like that. That's how you get yourself in timeout. Ugh. Now you're in timeout. Come on, Daniel. You know better. Oh, dude, I cracked my neck, man. I gotta go to the chiropractor, dude. You know, I didn't used to believe in chiropractors, and now I'm like, dude, they really do feel good when you go, and like, dude, it does give you quite a bit of relief. But, you know, I also have an inversion table too. I should use that. Money flow has kind of been weird on copper. On the 1 hour, it's been coming down. It's been coming down. We did get a inverted head and shoulders play. The inverted head and shoulders hasn't fully played out, but kind of interesting. 4 hour, that was a good jump up in money. Let's see if you could zoom in and show you guys. Look at right there. Whoop. Foam rollers. Dude, I love my foam roller, dude. I should find that too. My kids hide it though from me, those suckers. I don't use it enough. Ooh, green dollar 6 hour, yeah. Platy's gonna be moving too. Yeah, we just chilled out for a few days. Now it's gonna be legging up, bro. Platy's gonna be above $3,000 probably by Friday, just like what gold, like DCA said. Gold, you know, to 6,000, Platy be 3,000. Money flow is still pretty hot too. I like it. I like it, man. Where is it back in May? April, May. $900, bro. You kidding me? 3x since then. 2 day, we got a red dot. Swing down to a swing up. It's supposed to be bearish divvy, but the money flow is still kind of looking good. I don't know. We have to keep an eye on platinum. Maybe scoop some of that up, some ETFs. I wanted to look at nickel. Ooh, I like that, man. This is nickel's about to break out on the 12 hour. And we could see a move on nickel. You know, this is think per ton. So we could be eyeballing 22,000 a ton. Nickel could go up another 15%. Aluminum. I'm assuming aluminum goes by ton too. Guys, I just have never looked at these, so I'm just making assumptions right now. Momentum's pretty strong right now. VWAP doesn't tell me enough. I like the 2 day. The 2 day, the money flow is still increasing. 3 day, kind of, it's so thick. It doesn't really bother me at the moment that it's didn't increase on the 3 day. 5 day looks good. Look at that. Whoa, that's strong curvature on that money flow. Oh boy. Metals are about to get hot, dude. Hot. Hot. Hey, we picked up a subscriber, guys. 692's back. 692, whoever you are, thank you for subbing. Maybe that was Nuclear. I don't think it was, but if it was Nuclear, thank you, Nuclear. Shout out to you. We look at copper. Money flow is good on copper. I can't remember if we looked at it or not. Good. 2 day, dude. Copper's about to rip, dude. All metals, dude, are absolutely looking freaking great, dude. Absolutely great. I love it, man. I love making money with you guys. It's good times, dude. It is good times to be in the markets. 17 people watching. Hey, I think we're gonna wrap it up, man. You know, I think we're overall kind of bearish outlook on Bitcoin. That's kind of my thing. I just don't know how I feel about the whole markets. Metals, dude, I think are great. I think metals look phenomenal. We put a short in on BTC, Bitcoin on BTCC. Guys, if you want to trade, learn how to trade, go to our link in the description, BTCC. You get $100 for just signing up, and then you get 10% bonus with the minimum of $500 up to 100 grand. So you get anywhere between $50 to $10,000. So hey, check it out. You know, we also have BitFi over there, and both exchanges, no KYC, no VPN. Also with BTCC, you get 40% discount your trading fees. BitFi, I love them too. You get 20% discount your trading fees. Also, no KYC, no VPN. They do not have a deposit bonus though, so that BTCC does. They have an event bonus. So you pick and choose, man. Pick and choose. Bitcoin, we put a short in around 89,200, and it's playing out pretty good, man. We're playing out pretty good. We'll probably have to move our stop loss up, put it in profits, and we're gonna have to keep an eye on it and watch it, man. Watch it tonight. You know, 6 hour, we got a red dot, money flow to the downside. I think it's going to be a bloody day tomorrow. They're going to go down. A view up coming down on the 12 hour. You know, I don't think we're going to straight dump on BTC, but I'm thinking 86,000, man. 86,000. You got 87,000 totally on the table. Anywhere in this zone, probably. Where's the VR VPN? See, this is where I don't use this tool as much, Dingle, but I always have a hard time getting these candles down. I know it's a really good tool. We're at a visible volume node right here. We chunked down, you know, 86,000 is right in this sweet spot. There's not a whole lot of volume below us, man. We could drop pretty quick. So we'll have to keep an eye on the markets. Yes, we do. But we're always ready to trade. What's going on in Minnesota? Is it a shakedown? Is it the same thing they do in prisons? No other purpose up there, dude. I was talking about that with somebody else too. I can't talk about it though, because it's pretty interesting, man. It's pretty interesting. I'm watching everything come out though. We're watching everything that's coming out. And you can't say there's not fraud going on up there though. That's for sure. There was a lot of fraud. Let's get the fraud out. It's a tool on your toolbar. Well, this is, yeah, I know you're talking about the MACD. Not MACD, but I know what you're talking about. I'm talking about the VRVP. Anyways, if man, you guys are making me stay. If aluminum, copper go up, that's when inflation will start kicking back up. Those two metals are used in basically manufacturing. Yeah, well, that's why we don't make the penny anymore. And that's why nickels are on its way out too. So we shall see. We shall see, man. It takes more money to make a nickel, you know. All right, guys, you know, stay blessed. Actually, I should thank everybody. DCA, thanks for coming on in, man. It's been a minute since seeing you in the chat. A minute as in like a day. Dingle, thanks for coming on in. Bluefin, thanks for coming on in. Flight Fan, thanks for coming on in. Nuclear, thanks for keeping the chat all crazy up. Francisco Santos, thank you for coming on in, throwing a bunch of metals at us so we could all take a look at all these metals. Daniel Kaufman, who is timed out right now. Hopefully you can get your dash to move. You know, if you could get a big enough long in there, you could move the whole market, right? Daniel Ghazi, what's up, brother? I hope you're doing good. No, it's always nice seeing you in here. Hope you made some money trading. Daily, if I'm betting on a pump narrative, is DeFi, Ondo, Sol, ETH, Hedera, and Say. Yeah, we should take a look at Say. I don't think we didn't take a look at it today. Remind me tomorrow, we'll take a look. What'd you say over here, Dingle? Besides some of the old random new stuff, but Dash is an old coin. Dash is an old coin. Dash is looking towards the bottom. I agree, Daily. Calvin, been a crazy 12 months for crypto. Stay blessed. You too, Calvin. Base Philosophy Mom, thanks for coming on in. And Real Meta Crypto, thanks for coming on in. Under projection. Fixed range volume. Yes. Yes. I agree. Guys, thanks for coming on in. Blockchain Brew will be back tomorrow at 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. Maybe we'll jump on a little earlier. We'll have to see what we got going on. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. Thanks for coming on in, man. Peace. Trent, that was a great stream. A whole fam showed up to support the channel. They're always giving us boosts in the algorithm. We picked up subscribers, so thank you.